First to our Commitment 2022 coverage at 5:30. For the first time in more than 20 years, Judge Deborah Faulkner has a challenger in the race for Greenville County probate judge.
Our Taggart Houck is following this race, and he joins us now in the studio to break it all down for you. Taggart?
Janie Gabrielle, probate judges have a wide range of responsibilities, from marriage licenses to estates of the deceased, and they are the only judges in the state who are elected by voters. Democratic Judge Deborah Faulkner faces Republican challenger Chad Groover in the race for Greenville County probate judge. Faulkner took office in 1999 and hasn't had a challenger since. Probate judges have jurisdiction over marriage licenses, guardianships, and involuntary commitments, among other things.
If an elderly person's checking account is being raided, we need to be able to stop what we're doing and freeze those accounts by issuing a court order. If someone's child is a suicide risk, we need to be able to stop what we're doing and issue that detention order. So we need to react to emergencies quickly, and we need to be able to process routine cases. Whoever walks in the door, they get treated fairly, with respect, and I've done that for 23 years.
Among her accomplishments, she formed a free service which allows for lawyers to log into a case management system, saving their clients money. She says she's focused on ensuring the office is efficient and effective.
I promise to continue making service to them my top priority, and continue making and using technology to make sure that we're the most efficient and service-oriented court. But I'm not going to use technology so much that we lose the one-on-one, person-to-person experience that some people prefer over technology. And that is always going to be my top priority, is making sure that everybody who walks in the door gets the service they need.
Groover is a probate lawyer in Greenville. Before that, he spent time in Washington, D.C.
I was a lawyer for the Senate Judiciary Committee in D.C. I worked for Chuck Grassley from Iowa. I was his crime counsel and oversight lawyer. So I made sure that the government up there at the Department of Justice and Homeland Security and FBI were doing their jobs properly. And if they weren't, asking why.
He says he's concerned about the court and the public's access and involvement.
We want a court that is efficient, transparent, and responsive to the citizens. And as a probate judge, I can help make sure that that's the case.
Greenville County Probate Court is the largest and busiest in the state. And just another reminder, Election Day is November 8th. Jane.